Find or read reviews that people are talking about Dainlin smartwatch. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Bluetooth call and high compatibility. The smartwatch compatible for iPhone, Android, Samsung. Features a built-in HD speaker and Bluetooth 5.3 communication module which offers clear and stable call quality. After connecting to your phone via Bluetooth, you can answer or make calls, view call history, and store contacts directly on the smartwatch. 24-hour health monitoring. Equipped with low power and high precision sensors, the Dainlin smartwatch automatically records heart rate, blood pressure, walk steps, distance counter, calories burned, and activity minutes in daily life. 100+ sports modes. The fitness smartwatch tracker supports over 100+ sports modes such as swimming, running, rock climbing, yoga, walking, hiking, basketball, boating, climbing, cycling, fitness, football and more. 250+ DIY dial faces. The smartwatch provides more than 250+ free personalized watch faces for you to download and use. You can even customize watch daily according to your mood and dressing. Make your own stylish smartwatch. IP68 waterproof rating, 30-meter waterproof, so no need to worry when you wear it while rain or sweating and doing the dishes out. However, it is not recommended for use in hot water or seawater. 1.91-inch HD screen. Smartwatch for men/women is equipped with a extra-large HD full-touch color screen, delivering exceptional picture quality and highly responsive touch sensitivity, which can bring you a unique visual and better interactive experience with the Dainlin smartwatch. Ultra-long standby. Large battery capacity built-in and low power consumption design offers longer endurance. Once fully charged, it can be used for up to 168 hours. Message notification. The smartwatch provides notifications for social media messages, including Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, X, and more app, through vibrating alerts. You won't miss important calls and messages from your lovers/friends, making daily sports, outdoor sports, and life more concise and intelligent. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.